Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change the setting of your piano. So for instance, if you want more keys, you are able to do that. I think it works for every instrument. I'm not sure. Let me open one right now. Hold on, let me play that. Okay, it works for every instrument. As you can see, there is a gear icon here. If you select it, you're able to change the settings of your key. If you are on the piano, you'll have more options. You'll have the 22 keys one. I think the one like in the town, you're able to add more keys. But this is the one I have in my house. So it's going to add more keys to it. But yeah, again, it's here in the gear section. Oh, enable half note when playing, and you'll have even more keys than that. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.